Hey everyone and welcome back to our new video. Guys, in this video I'm going to show how you can connect your Wufoo Forms inside Pabbly Connect to start taking entries in Wufoo Forms automatically. Let me show you how you can do this. So guys, first of all, log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And to reach here, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and log in to reach here. And guys, here on this page, you can create a workflow of automation just by clicking here on this create workflow button. And here you can provide any suitable name to your workflow. And after filling the name, just click on create and you will see your workflow will be created in a few moments. And after clicking on create, you will reach this page and there you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. Okay, so here I'm about to show how you can take entries in Wufoo Forms automatically via Pabbly Connect. So let's say that you have collected the data from any other application inside Pabbly Connect. Like you can see here, I have connected Google Forms in the trigger event, in the trigger section. So the trigger event would be a new response received. That means whenever you receive a response of a Google form, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data of that form response like this. Okay. Now guys, if you want to save this data or enter this data in Wufoo Forms, what you need to do, you need to connect Wufoo in this Actions tab. And here search for Wufoo like this. And in the action event, select create entry option. So it will create entries in a form that you have created in Wufoo. Okay, so you can see this is my Wufoo application and these are the forms I have created. Basically, I have created a form here which is the contact form. Okay, so I want to take entries automatically inside this form. Okay, for that to happen, just click on connect here in your workflow, and from this window select add new connection option, and here it is asking for the API key, for the password and the subdomain name of Wufoo. Okay, so let me show you how you can find these things. You can read these instructions written here to actually know how to find these things. Let me show you how. So this is a form I have created, guys, and here you can see we have these 3 dots saying more options. Click on these dots and scroll down here and you will find this API information option. Click on API information and you will reach another page, and here guys you will find this API key. Okay, so just copy this key like this, put this key here in this API key field, enter your password of Wufoo account. Okay, and this, for the subdomain you can use this URL. You can see this example. You have to open your Wufoo and you will find this URL in the search bar, and this part will be the subdomain, the middle part. Let me show you. Here you can see I have this URL. Let me just okay, reach the dashboard first. Okay, and here this is the URL in the search bar. Let me just copy this whole URL and I'm going to paste it here. So guys, here I have pasted this whole URL now, and here I'm going to remove this HTTP leading address, and here I'm going to erase this wufoo.com also. Okay, and this is our subdomain. Okay, this middle part is only our subdomain. Now after filling these things, you just have to click on save and you will be connected with Wufoo like this. Okay, and here it is saying to select your form. So this is my form I have created named as contact form. You can see here in Wufoo. So we have only one form, so you can select the forms from here. And now it is asking for the entry ID, the name, the email, the mobile number, the date creation, and all these things. So now I'm going to use the data that I have received from a different application in the triggers tab. Okay, so you can see in the triggers tab I connected Google Forms and I have received this data. So let us use this data only. So for the entry ID, Okay, so if you want to put entry ID, you can enter, but you can leave this blank also. For let me fill the name. Just click here and you will find this Google Forms step in the drop down, and from here only I'm mapping the name that I've got, the email address that I've got, the phone number is here. Okay, the creation date, let's see if we have the creation date. Okay, we got the timestamp. Let me map the timestamp. Okay, so these are the things you can map if you have the data, but right now I'm just mapping these things. And now you can check your connection with Wufoo applications by clicking on save and send test request here, and you will find a new entry here in this entry section. You can see all entries here. So these are the entries I have already got. Okay, so let us check our connection. I'm clicking on save and send test request, and let's see what happens. And this is the response we have received. Let's check. I'm refreshing this entries section, guys, and you can see today we got a new entry with the name Sanjay Avas. This is the email, this is the number, and this is the status, and this is the created date and time. And this is how you can get an entry directly and automatically inside Wufoo Forms via Pabbly Connect like this. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So you can also connect your Wufoo Forms in any action step, and you can collect entries from any other different application inside Wufoo Forms automatically.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.